Hello everyone, it is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia. And I'm back with another ASL version of Create and Relate. So, we have done A through K. Trying to catch up on a lot of work here. A through K we have done. Today we are going to focus on the letter L. L. Remember the song? Somebody once told me. Yeah, that song. You know, you get to the part with the shape, with the forehead. No. I can't remember the words, but it's something like with the finger and the thumb, like the shape of an L on his forehead. Okay, but you know what I'm talking. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Go play. Hey, yeah, you know. I'm just getting the... I told y'all I'm 6'1". I earned my brain fog. Okay. So anyway, today's letter is the letter L. L. It's just the forefinger and the thumb. L. Okay. And our three words today are love, lace, and long. Okay? Love, lace, and long. We're going to start with... Yes, that is one word. You guys got this? You ready for this? Okay, and you'll see why when I come to the letter M. I started to do the two in reverse, but I said no. It'll just make it easier for you when we get to the M. So, what you're going to do is take your M's and you're going to rub them together. M. So, and what that is a material. And the kind of material we're talking about is L-A-C-E. L-A-C-E. Lace. Material, what kind? L-A-C-E. Okay? One more time. Material, L-A-C-E. Okay? The next word is long. Non-dominant hand out. Dominant hand pointer from your wrist up to about your what do you call this? The inside of the elbow. But that's long. And you're just drawing a long line. Long. Long. Okay? And then there is love. I mean, it is Valentine's Day month. Love. The hearts are also acceptable, but this is the proper sign for it. Love. Okay? So once again, we have lace, long, love. Backwards, we have love, long, lace. You got that? I know you do. Because you guys are great. You guys are smart. You guys are quick like that. Once again, I would like to thank all of my subscribers. And I continue to encourage you to share. Please share the ASL videos if no others. I think that this is something that is very, very, very important. It's near and dear to my heart. Also, please remember to hit your thumbs on the way in. If you're a new subscriber, when you see that bell, please hit the one with the dimples so that you always know when I'm dropping fresh new content. If any of this you did not get, did not understand, you can always rewind it. Any of the other letters, I have them all into one playlist. You can go pick out the video that you need. If you need several of them, you can start at the beginning and just let them play through. That'll give me some watch hours. I'm just saying. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember to always love yourself, because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty told you. And until we see each other again on these YouTube streets,